It's the Intense 5 time. Let's go. Elephant Man is back. From new song to a new campaign with water. Ellie, you find it. Glad you're back.
Take it to them, Ellie. Take it to them. We mentioned it earlier, but we're gonna mention it again. The Edna Mandy valedictorian speech. Big up on up. Selves.
Big up on yourself.
Okay.
I Don't Know holds nothing back in Trinidad. He demands respect as one of the best in dancehall. What do you think?
Lisa Hannah made getting bounced by a car look glamorous, but we're glad she's okay.
Yes. And finally holding the spot this week, Buju Banton is back. Have you heard the Trust song? It's bad.
Me no trust phone, me no own, me no like it. Picture I go round, say Simone, I'm a wifey.
That's it for the Intense 5 this week.